Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Himanshu Gupta, and today in this video I am going to discuss your plan for the next few months after this NEET PG postponement. So before discussing the plan, guys, I want to discuss the most important thing that is very essential at this moment of time. Guys, if you have to do well after whenever the exam will be held, okay, if you have to do well in that exam, you have to deviate your energies, you have to utilize your time into studying the subjects. Yes, it's okay to panic, but we are wasting too much energy on that. You know, last year what happened, my sister's NEET UG exam also got postponed. As her elder brother, I advised her one thing, that you don't have to waste your time. You don't have the power. We don't have the power ki when will the exam be conducted. Yes, we can tweet about that. We can file a PL also, but leave it for few students. I don't think ki we have to waste too much energy on changing the date of the exam. So I told my sister कि you have to utilize all your energy on working on your weak points, on working on the subjects that you don't know, on working on the topics that you don't know. So as your elder brother, okay, I want to advise you the same thing. Guys, leaving behind the top 5,000 students, other students that were appearing for this exam, you must be having some weak subjects. You must be having some weak topics. So now is the time. God has given you one more opportunity. And this opportunity, guys, you have to utilize it very well. You have to utilize this time on working on your subjects rather than wasting your energy on the unnecessary topics, unnecessary things that are going right now. ठीक है, तो इस टाइम गाइस सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग यही है, लास्ट 2 months everyone will study. You will not get an edge in the last 2 months of this preparation, but this is the time, this 1 month when everybody will be wasting time. Those people who will utilize this 1 month, I don't want to make a plan for the last 3 months or last 2 months. Last 2 months I know every one of you will study, but this 1 month when everybody is wasting their energies, wasting their time, this is the month. Any person who utilizes this month, that person will win the game. Are you getting my point? I know many of you are not willing to do the COVID duties. Very good, no problem in that, doesn't matter. But if you are not doing the COVID duties, so guys, it is your responsibility that you make your parents proud, that you do well in this NEET PG exam. और वो कैसे होगा? How will that happen? The only way that will happen is by studying at this moment of time. You might think that I am too much repetitive, but guys, this is a very important thing. It just pains my heart to see students wasting their time. Guys, you have to take things positively in life. You know, my exams also, my postgraduate exams also have been postponed for 6 months. Rather, my post-graduation has been extended for 6 months. So I take this as an opportunity to learn more, as an opportunity to work upon my weak points, as an opportunity to study my subject more. So guys, you also have to do this thing. Now coming to the basic plan for the next 1 month. So guys, normally what we were doing, we were completing almost 20 subjects in 1 month. But this is not possible right now. We have to think about the minimum possible thing that we can do. So most of us, what will happen, most of us will not study anything. So let us give ourselves a target of at least 4 subjects. In this month, we will try to complete at least 4 subjects. And these 4 subjects will be major subjects, not short subjects. And also what we will try to do these subjects in detail. and we will try to, many students are asking me, sir, should we look at the videos? Yes, if you feel your medicine is weak, do have a look at the videos of medicine. If you feel that your some topic is weak, I would advise you that this is the time to go through the standard textbooks as well. Now is the time you can always build up upon your concepts of the weak subjects. So the next 1 month of your preparation, you will just target 4 subjects. Even if you are doing 4 subjects in the next month, it will be a big win for you. And these 4 subjects will be major subjects, and you will try to see all the videos, you will try to do all the question bank, and one more thing, you will try doing at least 1 GT in 10 days. 1 GT in 10 days. So guys, I'm also planning to send you weekly emails. The link of that Google form is given in the description below. If you want weekly emails from me, you will have to fill that form. And guys, if you want to raise your voice against anything regarding this NEET PG, okay, preponement, so you can join my Telegram group and you can post your videos. So I am planning that I will make a video in which all your messages will be displayed. So I will try to utilize my channel to amplify your messages. So if you are interested in that, you can always send your videos in my Telegram group, and I will try to make a video, collab video, and I will try to post it on my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you guys, and all the best for your preparation.